Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to channel. Today we are diving into the world of portable Bluetooth speaker with Tribit Stormbox Micro 2. This tiny speaker promises big sound, long battery life and a few extra features. But is it all too good to be true? Let's break it down. Design and build. The Tribit Stormbox Micro 2 is super compact and the size of a stack of coaster. Thanks to its IP67 rating, it's waterproof, dustproof and built for adventure. The integrated strap is a nice touch. You can easily clip it to the backpack, bike or even a tree branch. Whether you are at the beach, on a hike or just hanging out, this speaker is made to go with you anywhere. Let's look into the sound quality. Powering up. Connected. For such a small speaker, the Stormbox Micro 2 really packs a punch. Has a 48mm ND web driver, passive radiator and their X-Bass technology to give you rich, full bass and dynamic sound. Very good sound at low and high range. Whether you are listening to bass heavy track or vocals, this speaker holds its own. However, like some users have mentioned, when you crank the volume all the way up, sound may distort slightly, especially with more complex music. Next up, battery life and features. Now let's talk about battery life. Tribit advertises up to 12 hours of playback, powered by Run Stretch technology. But let's be honest, real world uses might be different. Some users have pointed out that the volume drops to around 60 to 70% when the battery gets below 40%, which can be good for battery conservation but might not meet your expectation if you want consistent loudness. On a bright side, the Stormbox Micro 2 also doubles as power banks thanks to its smart ID technology. Let's have a demo. It's here. You can charge your phone, tablet or other accessory via the USB-C port. So while it might not last a full 12 hours at max volume, it's still a handy feature for travel and emergencies. Next up, connectivity and pairing. Staying connected is easy with Bluetooth 5.3, which offers a range of up to 120 feet. I was able to walk pretty far from the speaker without losing connection, which is impressive. You can also pair two Micro 2 speaker for stereo mode, giving you an even more impressive sound, perfect for outdoor gathering or large spaces. Next up, microphone test ChatGPT interaction. Well, ChatGPT introduced the new model O1 preview. Let's test it. Write a story with each letter of.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
Wait, I think we had a bit of delay. Write a story with each letter of alphabet from A to Z in that order without ever repeating a letter at the beginning of word while starting each word with the letter A to Z in that order.
Sure. Here's a sentence where each word starts with the letters A to Z in order without repeating any starting letters. An adventurous bear calmly dove eagerly for gold, happily ignoring just known landmarks, moving near open plains, quietly resting, slowly trekking under vast winds, exploring youthful zeal.
How many words are in your response to this prompt?
There are 47 words in my response to your prompt.
Wow, really impressive. The O1 preview model is very good at reasoning. Next up, looks like ChatGPT will take our jobs soon. With its new model O1 preview, it added reasoning capabilities, but no worries. I have something interesting on table. In less than $3. Do check out the course to match the ChatGPT level intelligence. Recall 100 pages books using 100 images. Recall Harley task using 24 images and much more. If you don't find any value in it, just text me. I will refund money in 24 hours. But I am pretty sure this course will 100% improve your memory. Let's look into this. This is part 1 of the course, this is part 2 of the course, and this is part 3. If you are on a budget and you require only 32 images, that means 32 storage, you are good to go with this course. If you want more storage, 64, you can buy this one and this one. And if you want the holistic 100 images, that means you can multiply it into 2, that is 200 pages books you can easily recall Another option for buying the course is on Udemy. I publish it here. Do check it out. We also have alphabet shape memory system to memorize the paragraph. So the pages stores the idea and individual paragraph will be stored in alphabet memory system. That's the game plan. I hope you like it. The Trybit app. So we have the battery indicator, the next and previous button, equalizer, various presets. You can have custom also, edit, reset button, and much more. Now the reviews and user feedbacks. One reviewer says the speaker is extremely powerful for its size with excellent bass and clarity, but he returned it because you need two for a true stereo experience. On downside, some users like notice that the volume decreases when the battery is low, something not many reviews mention. And also, one user had a poor experience with distortion after 5 months of use. So it's not all sunshine and rainbow. Next up, advantage and disadvantage. So let's weigh the pros and cons. On the pro side, you get great sound for this size. It's durable with its waterproof and dustproof design. The power bank feature is incredibly useful for charging devices. Bluetooth 5.3 gives you a reliable long-range connection. Built-in microphone is perfect for hands-free call and voice assistant interaction, including ChatGPT. On con side, the battery life might not live up to 12 hours claim, especially at higher volume. You shall likely want two of these speakers for a true stereo experience. Some users experience distortion at higher volumes or over time. Conclusion: should you buy it? So, is the Trybit Stormbox Micro 2 worth it? If you are looking for a portable, durable speaker with a good sound, handy features like power bank, and even a built-in mic for calls and interaction with voice assistant like ChatGPT, it's a great option, especially for the price. But if you are looking for consistent max volume or need stereo sound from a single unit, you need to think twice. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification and stick around for the next video where I have got something exciting to share with you. See you in the next one.